is an important economic crisis, no? And in England too. According with this, no? I agree because they have more proximity behavior with the people, in especial with poor people, or with people they have problems, economic problems. It's more proximity.
Barbara?
In my opinion, I agree with the decision because the royal family has a lot of money and they don't need more. So the best option is to give their present to poor people.
When I stayed in Spain for 3 months when I was doing Erasmus, but it was in Castellón on the other side of the coast.
Milan is a nice idea.
Completely different experience. So it's to being in Galicia.
In what side of Milan? What area of Milan? America?
Yeah. Well, last time I was staying in Panchon, so.
Well, not only fast food, but prepared meal or pre-cooked meal.
Yeah. Well, but I think people in Vigo don't eat this kind of fast food, because when I was working, I sometimes I had no time enough, to eat for lunch. Well, I prefer eat a salad, some veggies or fruits, instead of burger or hot dogs or sandwich or potatoes or peas or whatever. So we have, I think we think different.
There was 3 or 4 more kings and queens, but there was always a battle whether the country was Catholic or whether it was Protestant. So I think after Henry VIII was his son Edward, but he was only 9 when he became king, and he continued the Protestant rule. Then after him came his sister Mary. She was Catholic, so she, in the time of Henry VIII and Edward VI, they were dissolving all the monasteries, taking the money, they were executing the priests.
And after that friend can introduce you to the group.
Yeah.
And after that you can start trying to get relationship with the friends of your friend, and if not,
Some contacts.
it's different. In the south, it seems like when you start talking, everybody talks to